Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about cars that can fly. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Flying automobiles are an old human dream that is no longer merely a fantasy. Over the last 10 years, hobbyists have built tens of fully functional flying automobiles. Furthermore, there are small businesses that design and build flying automobiles on demand. As a result, anyone can experience the thrill of being James Bond right now. It's worth noting that real flying cars can cost anything from $300,000 to $3.5 million, depending on their capabilities. In this analysis, we've compiled a list of 6 true flying vehicles for 2022, complete with photographs and specifications. So you thought flying automobiles were something you only saw in movies? That is no longer the case. There are no boundaries to where the human brain can go with technology. It can currently reach the heavens daily. The highways are packed everywhere, and rising fuel and metal use is making the world's largest cities' roads too constricted for automobiles. The use of airspace is drastically underutilized. Traditional modes of transportation are unreliable, expensive, and polluting. Flying automobiles will be prohibitively expensive, at least at first, and out of reach for the common person. Nonetheless, these are pretty cool, would remove a lot of traffic off the roads, and would help reduce emissions significantly. 6. PAL V Liberty. It is one of Europe's top products, thanks to its Dutch engineering and Italian design. It can carry 2 passengers and has a maximum takeoff weight of 910 kilograms and a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour. The supercar with 100 horsepower has a maximum range of 500 kilometers and a fuel capacity of 4.3 hours. Because the PAL V is a gyroplane, the car's blades are driven by the wind and will rotate as long as there is wind. While the concept was first conceived in 1999, the PAL V Liberty was officially launched in 2017, with the first clients receiving the keys in 2020. 5. AEROMOBIL 3.0. This is a collapsible flying automobile, not just a regular one. That is, it is not only suitable for short grassy or paved airstrips of a few hundred meters in length but also entirely legal for the road, allowing it to run on conventional fuel and fit into any standard parking place. What a fantastic idea! The advanced 3.0 version is an upgrade from the previous 2.5 version, allowing it to reach speeds of 90 miles per hour. In flying mode, it has a range of 430 miles and consumes 15 liters of fuel per hour. Its elegant look and simple operation have made it one of the most anticipated flying cars, even though the business has yet to set a commercial launch date. 4. Terrafugia Transition. An automobile can be transformed into a flying plane with the push of a button. That, my friend, is the Terrafugia Transition. It looks like a future automobile on the ground, takes off like a helicopter, and acts as a plane in the air. The best part is that this car eliminates the need for hangar storage, as well as ground transportation and aviation fuel. You can keep it in your garage and move it about with automobile gas. In 2006, Terrafugia conducted the first flight test for flying vehicles. The flight technology on this airplane is automated, which is a pretty cool feature. Its propulsion mechanism is powered by 8 motors. This is also a 4-seater, unlike the other crafts featured here. Its cargo design cabin can take up to 635 kg. As technology advances, the business intends to make it entirely electric. 3. Aeromobile 4.0. Thanks to its great durability and stability, this flying car allows you to get up and personal with the skies. It was made with special care to keep it light, but not at the expense of design and comfort. Indeed, among the flying vehicles, this one has a distinct reputation for being a sumptuous vehicle with seats that provide the best experience for 2 people. It has a sophisticated automobile crash structure design as well as occupant restraint systems. Not only that, but the entire vehicle is equipped with a ballistic recovery parachute. 2. Blackfly. This car is set to hit the market in 2019, and the greatest part is that it will cost less than an SUV. And you know you're in for a treat when it comes from a business partially sponsored by Larry Page, who has been experimenting with the prototype for quite some time. It's not quite the flying car experience, but it's more reasonable and feasible than most of the other flying cars for sale on our list. It can take off and land vertically and travel at a top speed of 62 miles per hour. It can fly for roughly 25 kilometers without recharging the onboard battery. It can only fly over non-congested locations in the United States. 1. Mahler Skycar. This flying car has been around for the longest among the ones on this list, having been put together sometime around in the early 2000s. However, this car is not fly legal, meaning that in its present form it is not FAA certified. And while Mahler spent $150 million in developing this car, it is now available on eBay for $5 million. Also, anyone wishing to buy this must remember that this car has never been actually flown and at best has hovered in the air while being tethered to a crane at the height of 15 feet. At present, this car can be bought as a curiosity piece for hardcore car and technology enthusiasts who can afford it. So that's it for today. What do you think of our video? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications before you go. Thank you so much for watching us.